Hello, today we're gonna make a cherry from. We need a glue gun, 3 stems, and 1 scissor. We will take the red stem, we will fold in half, and here we will cut up. And now we will take one of the beads and we will turn like this. And the ending part, we will put it at the center like this. And we will repeat the same step with this one. And now we will take the other red stem and we will do the same step that we did with the other stem. Now we will take the green stem. We will fold at 5 centimeter. We will put the ending up and just put a little space, and here we will turn it, and now we will give a space and we will do the same step. And here we will cut it. Now we will take the pieces that we did and we will take the glue gun. We will put some glue here. And we will put the green. We'll take the other part. We will put some glue on it. And we will glue it on. Now we will do the same step with the Here we go, we made a cherry. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.